Hi, today what I'm going to talk about is the ability of microwave roasting to the coffee beans. So first of all, let me show you the specific feature of microwave heating. There are three features. First of all, microwave can heat uniformly, and selectivity, and rapidly. So let me show you why this feature can be achieved in the microwave heatings. So there are two objects. First are heated by the conventional heating such as bake or boil. Second objects are heated by the microwave heatings. And as I told you, in the microwave heating, it can rapidly and selectively and uniformly heated. But on the other hand, boiled and baked, it is heated from surface, and so there the temperature gradient. So why these differences can happen? So this is because there are any differences between the heat transfer. Boil and bake are classified as a convection or conduction heat transfer. But on the other hand, in the microwave heating, it is classified as radiant heat transfer. In the microwave heating, microwave effect on the molecule directly. Molecules are vibrated, but this vibration energy are converted to the thermal energy. So it is directly to the thermal energy. So it becomes heating. So directly heating is one of the reasons why the microwave can heat uniformly, rapidly, and selectively. The degree of the heating it depends on the molecules. As you know, the water is one of the fastest heated molecules. So this microwave feature is depend on the molecules and microwave irradiations. So let me move on to the microwave roasting topics. So it's based on the Technical University of Łódź, Poland. There are two types of roasting method. First is conventional roasting 230 degrees. On the other hand, microwave roasting 750 watts. As I show you, microwave roasting can roast it uniformly, rapidly. On the other hand, conventional heating, conventional roasting, roast it from surface, so there's any temperature degree. In other words, the different degree of roasting. Actually, these differences make any roasted coffee beans features. Today, we focus on the antioxidant abilities. First of all, it's related to the polyphenol, which has also antioxidant abilities. Do you think which method has the higher concentration of the polyphenol? The answer is microwave roasting coffee beans has higher concentration of the polyphenol. So antioxidation ability also microwave roasting sample is higher than that of conventional roasting samples. One of the reasons is chlorogenic acid, which is one of the antioxidant substance. This substance are decomposed in the roasting process, and this degree depends on the roasting time. And as you know, microwave roasting time is shorter than that of conventional roasting because of the rapid heating. This is specific feature of microwave heating. So in the microwave roasting, it prevents from losing the antioxidant substance. So this is why the concentration of the chlorogenic acid is higher that of conventional roasting method. So let me summarize today's topic. We're talking about the effect of microwave roasting. There's any types of feature. Microwave heating can heat uniformly, selectively, and rapidly. So in the roasting, this feature can achieve the prevention of the losing antioxidant by rapid heatings. So thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.